Living animals require a high amount of maintenance and care. A robot companion can simulate the companionship of a living pet, as well as ease daily life by completing simple tasks for you. But if you don't have $75,000 to spend on a Boston Dynamics dog, we present the low-cost Boston Terrier.
The Boston Terrier is assembled out of 3D printed PLA and laser cut plywood, and has 4 servo-controlled legs. An ultrasonic sensor is mounted to the front of the dog. On top of the chassis, there is an IMU, push-button switch, ambient light sensor, loudspeaker, servo driver, and microcontroller. The electronics are powered through 2 LiPo batteries, with the larger battery being fed into a buck converter in order to attain useful and safe voltage.
There are 12 servos for 12 degrees of freedom. Each leg has 3 degrees of freedom. The hip joint can roll to move the leg inward and outward. The inner servo rotates the upper limb. The outer servo rotates the lower limb through an extension rod and 4-bar linkage.
The leg joints are commanded to specific angles to facilitate motion throughout all phases of a typical walking gait. The dog is remotely controlled via Bluetooth. It can walk forward, turn left, turn right, and bark.
Our dog can do tricks too. If you press the button to pet the dog, it'll sit down. Pressing the button again makes it get up. If you blind the dog by covering its light sensor, it'll bark. If the ultrasonic sensor detects that an obstacle is too close, the dog will start turning until the obstacle is no longer blocking it.
With a bit more time and effort, the functionality of the Boston Terrier can be further enhanced. It could navigate rough terrain, carry payloads to destinations, and even act as a dystopian surveillance attack robot. The possibilities are endless.